Hi there, my name is Peter Taylor. I'm also known as the Lazy Project Manager, and that's because I wrote a book called The Lazy Project Manager that is one of the best-selling project management books of all time. I have been training and speaking for 10 years now, and I have delivered over 360 presentations and workshops around the world, 25 countries, and I'm delighted to be working with Trainergram right now to offer a range of workshops I have developed and delivered successfully around the world. So please check out the courses that I offer, and I look forward to working with you and your organisation very soon. Let me kick off with the Lazy Project Manager itself. It's about working smarter and not harder, being effective in your role as a project manager. Suitable for every range of project managers out there, every level of experience. And this often comes with the companion, the Lazy Project Manager and the Project from Hell. This is a practical, fun workshop about project challenges and recovery of projects. It's also a great team building activity, and as I said, is often delivered in partnership with the Lazy Project Manager over a 2-day event. Then we have Lean Successful PMOs. I've written 2 books about PMOs, Lean Successful PMOs and Building Successful PMOs. And this one, the course offers up some insights about designing, building and leading the perfect PMO for your business and making sure that the PMO you actually have is being effective. And then presentation skills, based on the number of presentations I've done. I've been asked many times to engage in organisations and try and raise the capability. Yeah, it's about becoming a better public speaker for greater impact, and project managers and many other people see the value in that. Real project management is about the reality that great project managers deliver great projects, and it goes back to the basics of what makes for an effective project manager. And then how to get fired at the C-level. It's about C-level change leadership, about C-level transformational challenges. It's about 2 actions you need to do to avoid change failure. These are 2 half-day workshops that are often combined into one to challenge your leadership and to kind of uncover the issues that there might be in place about how you can deliver change successfully. And then finally, there is the strategies for project sponsorship. Great project manager and a great project sponsor form great partnerships. This, of course, can be focused on either of those 2 groups, either at project managers to work effectively with project sponsors or at project sponsors who want to be more effective in the role that they've got. So these are just some of the examples of the courses I can offer through Trainergram. So please do check it out, and I look forward to working with your organisation very, very soon.